Hello STEM students, I will be presenting the first quarter topics for General Chemistry 1. Let's start with the performance standard for first quarter. Design using multimedia, demonstrations or models, a representation or simulation of any of the following: letter A, atomic structure; letter B, gas behavior; letter C, mass relationship; letter D, reactions. Here's the content standard for week 1. The properties of matter and its various forms. The most essential learning competencies. Number 1, use properties of matter to identify substances and to separate them. Recognize the formulas of common chemical substances. Compare consumer products on the basis of their components for use, safety, quality, and cost. Describe various simple separation techniques such as distillation and chromatography. For week 2, content standard: number 1, atomic structure; number 2, formulas and names of compounds. This one is for week 2 until week 3 content standard. The relationship of percentage composition and chemical formula. Most essential learning competencies. Number 1, recognize common isotopes and their uses. Represent compounds using chemical formulas, structural formulas, and models. Name compounds given their formula and write formula given the name of the compound. Calculate the empirical formula from the percent composition of a compound. Most essential learning competencies. Calculate molecular formula given molar mass. For week 3, the content standard is the use of chemical formulas to represent chemical reactions. Another content standard, this one will start for week 3 until week 5. The quantitative relationship of reactants and products in a chemical reaction. Most essential learning competencies. Number 1, write and balance chemical equations. Construct mole or mass ratios for a reaction in order to calculate the amount of reactant needed or amount of product formed in terms of moles or mass. Another most essential learning competencies: calculate percent yield and theoretical yield of the reaction. Explain the concept of limiting reagent in a chemical reaction and then identify the excess reagents. For laboratory, determine mass relationship in a chemical reaction. Content standard for week 5, the mathematical relationship between pressure, volume, and temperature of a gas. Most essential learning competencies. Number 1, define pressure and give the common units of pressure. Use the gas laws to determine pressure, volume, or temperature of a gas under a certain conditions of change. And then use the ideal gas equation to calculate pressure, volume, temperature, or number of moles of a gas. Okay, another content standard: the partial pressures of gases in a mixture. Most essential learning competency: use Dalton's law of partial pressure to relate mole fraction, and partial pressure of gases in a mixture. For week 6, this is the content standard, quantitative relationships of reactants and products in a gaseous reactions. Most essential learning competencies. Number one, apply the principles of stoichiometry to determine the amounts. Example, the volume, number of moles or mass of gaseous reactants and products. Content standard, the behavior and properties of gases at the molecular level. Most essential learning competencies relate the rate of gas effusion with molar mass. Okay, thank you so much. If you find this video helpful, you may press the like button and subscribe. Thank you so much and God bless.